Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading over to Pearl Academy to meet and hang out with up-and-coming designers, makeup artists, stylists, and all-around team of creatives. And not just that, we'll also be on lookout for fresh faces and potential models. So come along, join us on this journey and see how exciting it is. Hi, we are finally here and the place looks exquisite. Let's see what happens next. We're finally inside and this is how the campus looks.
Our workshop was all about bridging the gap between aspiring models and industry professionals. From modeling techniques to behind the scenes of this vibrant world, we are guiding these future stars on the journey to shine. Interacting with these passionate students has been such an enriching experience. Their energy, curiosity, and innovative ideas are truly inspiring. It's incredible to see the next generation of creatives in action.
We believe beauty comes from within. What does beauty mean to you?
I feel kindness. I think when I see, for example, my mom, and my grandmother, I see her feeding strays and helping people out all the time. So I feel that is where true beauty comes from. So I feel
That's such a beautiful answer. Who are some models or personalities that inspire you and why?
So some models that inspire me are Shaurya Pratap Sinha, Dhananjay Arora, Mannat Khanna. They've all started from scratch, but now where they are is just unimaginable to me. And I want to reach there one day. And I hope through all our talents, I would be able to recognize my talent and maintain my USP and grow more.
I hope you do. Okay, if you could give one piece of advice to your younger self, what would it be?
Don't be shy. Just go ahead and take that opportunity in your hand, because if you miss it, you're gonna regret it. And now I feel genuinely proud of myself for everything that I'm trying to do. So, yeah.
Okay, and just for fun, if you could be any animal on the runway, which would you be?
A cat. Big time cat lover. I'll be the feline cat, tigress sort of the animal character that I'm gonna bring to the vibe.
Because it's catwalk, guys, it's catwalk. What's one dream you hope to achieve in life?
One dream that I hope to achieve in life is being successful, financially independent, and happy.
And while we worked hard, we also took some time to enjoy the stunning ambience of Pearl Academy. The vibrant spaces, creative corners, and warm vibe made it an unforgettable experience. At Aura Talents, we believe in power of collaboration and mentorship. This day was not just about teaching, but also about learning from one another. Here's to many more opportunities to create and inspire together.
Done with the workshop and it was amazing. And the students loved it. We loved the experience. It was so fun. We met so many great faces. And not just that, we met amazing talents here who sort of expressed their ideas with us. And I think we learned a lot from them. And I think we can collaborate with them too. So we'll see what happens.